All this sucks. Yeah. Can you check the door?
Hey, look
Holy
what they have.
man. Oh, it's a box.
Yeah.
What does it say?
It states Gigel.
Google?
No, it says Gigel. Let's check what inside.
Gigel. Oh my god. Gigel.
Hello guys, this is Worsted Engineers and today we're gonna do an unboxing video.
So, mysterious box. What do
Yeah.
you think is inside?
It's a giggle. I don't know man, I don't know. It's a mystery to me.
So let's check this out.
Let's totally check this out.
So
Oh man,
it smells really bad.
what do you mean? You kidding me? I love the packaging.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
What the?
So what's inside? Holy crap. Inside we have used toilet papers. Oh no, this is premium paper, man. Holy shit, man. Why do they send us paper? It's a mystery. Oh, is this shit? Holy crap. We have bottles.
Oh, empty bottles actually.
Man,
So put it-
numerous uses for these ones. We can fill them with water and drink.
Yeah. So we actually have even more bottles. And with
Is
one.
this beer?
Yeah, I think so. Wait.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What
Oh.
the hell is this, man? Look. It's a play button. Holy shit, man.
Oh my god.
We got a play button. What does it say, man?
For 10 subs. That's surprising.
Congratulations for the 10 subs.
Oh my
Holy
god.
shit, man.
That looks totally legend. So we have actually. Oh!
Nothing really of value here, as you can see. It's filled with goodies.
Goodness.
Okay.
So we have letter. It's actually
It's a letter from who?
from.
From you. Let's read it out loud. Hello, Roasted Engineers. It's engineers. Okay. 10 subscribers. That's more than one person. Congratulations. As a matter of fact, we don't give a shit about your channel. What? Must be a mistake. Okay. We didn't even watch a single video, and that must mean a lot to you. Okay. So we have sent you a wooden play button. Oh my god, it's a wooden play button, man.
Oh my
10
god.
subscribers, wooden play button. Holy shit. And some other valuable items. Oh man. Okay, this is good. So yeah, P.S. Stop sending nudes. Thanks for being... thanks for being.
It's actually on.
It was
That's
awesome,
awesome,
but they must have changed their mind. It's just for thanks for being.
Just
Okay.
free.
Sincerely, homeless guy near Google building in the yellow container,
Oh.
and it's legit signature with plus mark.
Ah. So we will leave
This is-
pictures of it.
Authentic, very authentic signature. So man, what do you think? Holy shit.
Like, wow.
Wow, we totally didn't expect this from you, Google. This is a very good gift, and
Yeah.
we thank all of our subscribers. We thank the very first subscriber and all the other subscribers for subscribing.
10, we have to go. Oh, 10.
It's already 10, man.
Actually more, I think, right now. We have more.
Holy shit. After this video, we're gonna have only 10. Excellent. Okay, so thanks for watching.
Yeah, we will try to make some interesting
We're gonna
videos
do
in future.
hopefully a 100 subscribers button. No. Okay. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.
If you like the video, comment and subscribe. And see you guys later.
Thanks.